hope you're well. I am back with another video in my eBay try-on series. If you haven't seen the previous videos, I'll link them down below. But this is basically where I buy some really cheap, affordable clothing from eBay and try it on for you guys. eBay can be very hit and miss, especially judging by the other videos I've done in this series. Some of the items are great and an absolute bargain, whereas others are super cheap and super terrible, like material and stitching, just not great, not worth your money. And like all the other videos in this series, I am going to be trying them all on for you so you can see how they look, like a try on haul. I will leave all links to everything down below, and the theme for this video is kind of like spring summer dresses. I've also stuck to a budget for this video of £8. Most of the dresses in this video are under £7, but £8 is the maximum, so hopefully I can find you a good bargain. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start with one I posted a boomerang of me wearing on my Instagram, and I could not count how many of you guys messaged me and was like, this is so cute, where can I get it? So it is this. The colour is unlike anything I've ever bought before. It's a gorgeous bright yellow, kind of like verging on mustard yellow, but not entirely. It's like the most gorgeous orange yellow shade, and it's a bodycon dress, kind of like mini dress. It comes up like mid-thigh on me, and it is also off the shoulder with frilly detailing around the edge. I absolutely love this. I'd never thought something this colour would suit me or flatter me, but the dress is just perfect. I am super chuffed with this, and I know it will definitely be staying in my summer wardrobe this year. I can imagine it looking super cute with a big kind of like oversized denim jacket and a pair of little Converse. Probably one of the best things I've ever purchased from eBay, because I know that I will get wear out of this. Price wise, it was £6.99 with free postage and packaging, which I think is a bargain, kind of like cheaper than Primark, which is always a plus. Getting off to a great start here. Okay, the second dress, I don't really know what made me buy this in the first place, but I'm glad I did. It's a black crochet kind of like mini dress with this white detailing around the low V-neck. I would say this is something you can wear all year round. It's not necessarily summer. I think it was if it was in a brighter colour, perhaps it would be, but the black does make it look a little bit more kind of autumnal. It has a nice big zip on the back, which is actually great because it means it fits really well. This probably fit me the best out of everything in this haul. I got it in a size 6 to 8. And I paid £6.92 on it, again with free postage, so an absolute bargain. I think I definitely will get some wear out of this. I think it is very cute. I love the crochet. I love that it has a different layer underneath and the clear sleeves as well. Yeah, I do like this. Are you guys ready for the first fail of the video? I was super excited about getting this because, again, it's another bodycon dress, and I'm very into my bodycon at the moment. It's a pink, kind of, again, off the shoulder bodycon, kind of like ribbed dressing. On the model it looks super sexy, really tight, really gorgeous, very kind of alluring. But on me it looks like a big baggy like salmon skin. It is not flattering at all. It's described on eBay as a women's bandage bodycon off the shoulder evening party cocktail short mini dress. What a mouthful, blimey. And I paid £5.31 for this, free postage. Got it in size small, but I think it's definitely a little bit too big. And the most baffling thing about it is it has this kind of bit of extra fabric underneath. I don't know if you can see that. Look, it's literally a hole at the bottom. So you could kind of see my knickers if I lifted that down, which is just great. Definitely something you want from a dress. Yeah, this wasn't good. I wouldn't waste your money on this at all. I think it's a bit of a fail. Also very see-through, so apologies if you see any kind of nip slips. Okay, this next dress was the one I was most looking forward to receiving. I think, again, it would look so cute with a big oversized denim jacket. It is this, again, surprise surprise, off the shoulder, sorry, can't resist. Kind of like wine red dress with gorgeous white floral patterning on it. It kind of is like a scrunchy ruched fabric at the top with the off-the-shoulder sleeves, and then it goes down into a nice floaty material. This is quite long on me, it comes down to my knees. I would have preferred it a lot more if it came kind of mid-thigh, but that's probably something to do with the fact that I am so short. But I do like this. I think I would definitely need to get it altered, but it's definitely not as bad as some of the things I've previously purchased on eBay. It was $7.99 free postage packaging. I can't find what size I got this in. They have sent me here a medium. Maybe that's the reason it's a bit big on me. Probably could have done with a small. The listing of where I bought this is not currently showing up on my eBay, so I'm going to have to hunt around for it. I will leave a link to something like this or something very similar in the description box if you do think it would be up your summer street style wardrobe. I was also very much looking forward to receiving this dress. Now, it definitely does need an iron, but I really, really like it. It's like a pink and white vertical striped dress, a very kind of like basic fabric, and it comes with this little extra piece of fabric which you can use as a belt, so you can do it up around your waist and pull it up and make it kind of the length that you want it, and I really like it for that. The one thing I am concerned about is the pattern can remind me of like a supermarket shop attendant's outfit, do you know what I mean? Like, I think is it Sainsbury's that has the orange and white stripes, or at least they used to. I don't know, it does slightly remind me of that, but I think it's really cute. It's a shame the material and the fabric is so kind of like cheap feeling, but I definitely think I will get some wear out of this spring and summer. It was $7.79. I got it in a size 6 to 8. Oh my goodness. So I've obviously already filmed the cutaways for this video beforehand because I wanted to know how it all fit before I filmed the city down bit, and I've just realised that I was wearing this next dress completely wrong in the cutaways. So I'm going to flash up a picture here of what it looks like on the website. It says it's a women's off-the-shoulder bodycon lace ladies party evening mini dress. Got it in a size 4. I completely forgot that it was off the shoulder, so I wore it as a kind of just like normal spaghetti strap sleeved dress. This wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. It's definitely cheaply made. I feel like the stitching is already starting to come off on the right strap here, but it definitely wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. It fits quite nice. I like that it has the crochet trim at the bottom as well as on the top. The only thing I would say was that there wasn't a lot of extra baggy kind of a fabric around the armpits, but perhaps that is because I was wearing it wrong. I'm going to try this back on after I film this video and leave a note for you in the description box telling you whether it is as good wearing it how it was supposed to be worn. But yeah, this is not too bad. It's a little bit more kind of dressy and fancy than the other things that I bought for this haul. But I don't know, maybe I could get somewhere out of this. We will see. This was £6.18 and for that price I think that's pretty good. And finally, are you guys ready for the biggest fail? In fact, this might be the biggest fail of all my eBay videos. So I ordered this dress. Don't you think it looks lovely? I love that it has the zip all the way down the back, so you can kind of alter how much back and flesh you show, which is a nice way to be sexy without flashing cleavage or too much leg. They emailed me soon after I purchased this saying that the black colour was out of stock, so would I like to choose another shade? And I was like, yeah, absolutely, like go on, send me whatever you've got. So they sent me this. I mean, this colour is the most vile thing I have ever seen, but I tried it on for you guys. I wasn't going to let you down. This is just a fail of a dress. It looks like I am a big human plaster. The material's horrible, it feels really cheap, it has no structure at all. The only good thing about it is kind of having a low back, but even then, the colour, the length, the way it fits, the sleeves, it's just disgusting. Not only that, but it's again also see-through. Definitely the worst £6 I have ever spent in my life. So yeah, steer clear. I hope I have helped none of you have the same problem that I just did. So that is everything. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and had a good old laugh at my expense. If you would like to see any other eBay hauls from me, do let me know. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what kind of theme you would like. I could do like bikinis or swimwear or like summer accessories like sunglasses, hats, bags, do let me know what you would like to see and I will get on that ASAP. Also be sure to subscribe, it would mean everything. Love you lots guys, bye!